My brain is not organized. Okay, intro muna. So hello guys, good morning beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's content, for today's video. Tamo, oh, di ba? For today's video, you're gonna spend a week with me. What I do on a daily basis. Diba? Nag-lag na naman ako. I cannot really function well without my coffee. As a student who's waiting for an internship because right now I have lots and lots of time. So wala akong gagawin kundi mag-content. It's 11:21 in the morning. I just woke up. To realistic talaga tong video na to ha. Like walang sugarcoat and whatnot. Ang pinakauna kong ginagawa is charing. Gusto pala realistic ha. Hindi, charing lang. Ang una kong ginagawa is to freshen up. Okay, wait lang. So I'm gonna explain to you what's my thought process with this video. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you a hospitality management student of National University Manila who's currently not doing anything because nag-iintay na lang siya ng approval ng CHED because natanggap siya ng internship sa right? Kung nagtatanong kayo, ba't hindi ka muna umuwi sa Mindanao? Ba't hindi ka like, hindi ka nagpapahinga muna doon? You're gonna spend time with your family in Mindanao because you're just waiting, Guys, listen well, all of you. Chiring. Galing na po ako sa Mindanao, okay? And I had a talk with my dean. Hi Dean! Kung nanonood ka po neto, hello po. It was logical then that it's better for me to wait here in Manila rather than in Mindanao because there are no certainties on when flight is gonna be. When you think about it, mas mapapamura ako if ever na dito ako maghihintay kaysa naman dun ako sa Mindanao and I'm feeling anxious and everything. And then kapag when I heard the news na JED approved our departure, edi ngarag si bakla. Book agad siya ng flight ticket. Guys, alam niyo ba kung magkano yung flight ticket na bigla-biglaan? Pinakamura na yung mga 10,000, 12, 15,000 on the way pa lang yun Yung ganong pera kasi, yung 10,000, 15,000, monthly allowance ko na yan. So it's better na nandito na ako. Right? So ba't ko ba ini-explain to sa inyo? Ewan ko ba, ang gulo ng utak ko ngayon. So, bili muna tayo ng pagkain nga. Fish fillet, 320 grams of white rice, cold brew by Super Daddies. Ito, mura lang kasi to. This just cost around 49 pesos. So, bumibili ako ng dalawa. Grabe kasi ako magkape Like, over talaga ako magkape. Yeah. Look at that fish fillet, guys. That's my business. That is good. It's 12:13. I'm gonna rest for a while because later pupunta tayo ng gym. It's 1:45. And I'm already preparing to go to the gym. Because mga gantong oras po kasi ako nag-gym. 2 p.m., 3 p.m. Because walang masyadong tao. I do not like going to the gym during evenings because it's very much crowded. And hindi ako masyadong nakakagalaw. I'm not comfortable with it. Ayun, ang ginagawa ko, 2 p.m., 3 p.m. ako nag-gym. And then afterwards ako nag-gym, I tend to go to Luneta Park or umiikot ako sa Espanya because I try to achieve 10,000 steps daily. So, ayun. when you really have so much time, wala kang masyadong ginagawa because you're just waiting for the approval, ganito din yung gagawin mo. So, hey guys! I just finished working out and there's a bit of a change of plans. Hindi na lang ako tutuloy mag-walking ngayon because my co-dancers invited me to watch a dance competition. Kasi ano pala ngayon, this week is U Week in National University Manila. So there are tons of events na i-held nila. So this day is the Hataw Day or the dance competition amongst department. So, pupunta po tayo because currently 4:11 p.m. and we're gonna freshen up a bit tapos punta na tayo sa school. If hindi nyo alam guys, katabi ko lang yung NU. Kapag I need to go to school, nilalakad ko lang siya because katabi ko lang siya talaga. Like swear. Right? O diba? Katabi ko lang yung school guys, I told you. Ang bilis ko lang. Pasok na tayo. So, I just decided na umuwi na lang ako even though hindi pa tapos yung competition. Pero, tapos ko na napanood lahat ng entries nila and I say, wow. The passion, the dedication, the fury, the love for dance. Swear. Y'all just ate it up. The reason why gusto ko na umuwi because nagugutom na ako. I was hungry, okay? Tapos parang hindi ko na kayang magpaluto pa. Binili ko na lang is yung jumbo giniling ng 7-Eleven and a chicken burger. Kain muna ako. Handa ko lang ba? Like hindi ko kayang kumain na walang pinapanood. I think lahat na tayo ngayon na habang kumakain dapat may pinapanood talaga. It's our generation na. I just received a message from our dean. Sabi niya na tomorrow na magsa-start yung training namin for housekeeping. So ano pa? Bakit ko ba sinasabi to sa inyo? Because nakikita nyo to? Dito pwede bukas. 2 months ko tong pinahaba, guys. But then again, it's not allowed in our industry, in the hospitality and tourism industry. Having facial hair is not allowed. Like, it's considered as unhygienic. Wow, may pa-reveal. Gets nyo na ba ako? Ba't gusto ko may beard yung mukha ko? So ayun, naligo na lang din ako diretso because my beard is everywhere din. I need to sleep early right now because 9 a.m. po yung training ng housekeeping namin. Wish me luck bukas. Good night. It's so hot, guys. Funny thing, cause I forgot to charge my Jisoo Life. So, wala tayong Jisoo Life na dinadala ngayon. So, magtitiis po muna tayo ng init ngayon. And usually, when I wake up this early, around 7 a.m. or 8 a.m., I tend to buy food talaga. Para hindi umeksena ang gastritis ko. It's 8:28 a.m. Medyo early ako, pero that's okay. Ayoko naman talagang nalilate.
Ground and floor maintenance, or sometimes pinag-iisa nila yung ground, maintenance and ground. Ganun yung iba. Depende. Basta kasama ang facade. Napakalawak niya, di ba? So, kala mo lang yun lang yun. Pinakamalaki siyang department at hawak mo talaga lahat.
Ngayon ka pupunta ng Santa Mesa?
Mag-lunch break muna kayo.
Sige po.
Hi, Black!
Gusto ko sanang itanong kay Dean kasi
Yan, di ba? Pwede
hindi.
yan.
Like, magko-content sana ako na parang pwede ko na pang i-post na natanggap ako sa ganon.
Pa?
Kaya nga gusto ko itanong kay Dean.
Thank you so much.
Kain tayo, guys. Chicken adobo. Parang hindi ata ako makakapag-gym today. Kasama ko na naman siya, guys.
Kasama niya ako ng 8 months. Kasabaan kami.
We still have 2 hours kasi. So, tatambay muna kami dito sa coffee shop. Gaya-gaya ka, no?
Is kaya gaya. Siyempre, kung ano order niya, ganun din order. Pag masarap sa kanya, ibig sabihin masarap.
Kasi wala akong nire-recommend na hindi.
Masarap.
Yes! Housekeeping.
Paano namin? Tol, housekeeping tol. Ay, laki niyo, ang laki niyo.
Yung ano, yung may,
Sabi niya, sumakit na yung namin.
yung may bewang. Tapos na. So, tapos na yung training namin. Tapos na yung training namin sa housekeeping. It's already 5 p.m. Medyo nagugutom na ako because, girl, napagod na kami. Right?
We're tired.
We're tired. Napagod kami. So, bababa ako. Bababa na kami. Kasi siya, uwi na siya. Ako, bababa ako because I'm gonna find some food. Hopefully, nandun pa si Jenos. And, manonood din ako ng lip sync battle. Yes. Because, kasi nga, sabi ko sa inyo, di ba, U-Week ngayon. And may pa-event. Lala Panyuza. Yung guest performers kasi is si Arizona tsaka si Hanabeshi. So, manonood tayo. Right? Kung uuwi na yan siya eh.
saklap ng mundong ito. Asan na ba ang alak ko? Lalamunan ko, ituyong-tuyo, iyong lunurin, pusong bigo. Ako'y isang baklang nais tumagay at ibig makatikim ng isang tanay. Lalaklakin na come on! Inuming tunay, magwawala ng malay, ngunit di bibigyan. Let's go! Come on! Hey! Put your hands up! Let's go!
Arizona V is for voodoos, voodoos, yeah. Arizona ready for the coronation. It's already had to put a has a coronation.
Grabe ang time jump. Wala naman talaga akong ginawa kahapon. Nasa dorm lang ako buong araw. I felt no need to document everything. Sa dorm lang ako. Pahiga lang ako, kumakain lang ako. Just the usual thing, hindi nga ako nakapunta ng gym. I don't know why. I felt like gusto ko lang humiga buong araw. Ganun lang nangyari ng Wednesday. Kahapon, biglang tumawag si Mami. Sabi niya, may gagawin ka pa ba? Sabi ko, wala naman na ata. Since tapos na doon yung training ng housekeeping namin. I've done everything I need to do. Sabi niya, okay, book ka namin, uwi ka dito. Huh? Dami mo pera. Alam niyo naman, kapag bigla ang book, like book, kinabukasan na kung gano'ng kamahal. So, eto ako ngayon. Napunta na ako ng Terminal B. Wait, natawag si Mom. Hello?
Ilang na ba ka?
Yes. Ako sa Skyway, papunta namin.
Oo, natin na.
Ang dami kong ganap this week. Wow. Kapag-check-in na ako. It's already 11:39. Makapag-check-in na. Na-drop ko na yung baggage ko. So, kain muna tayo. So, hi everyone! I just arrived home. Yan with my 2 luggage. I just arrived home. Medyo maingay na dito kasi may nagpi-pickleball na. Kasi nga, we own a pickleball courts. Tapos nagpapalaro po kami dito. And actually, by tomorrow, starting tomorrow, May 8, 9, and 10, magpapa-pickleball tournament sila. This is by far my most pinakadaming ganap. Like, what the hell is this Tagalog? Hello! I am tired. I feel so dirty. I am hungry. I am gay. Hello! And what? So what? Bitch. So yung pag-uwi ko talaga is a blessing in disguise kasi nakapag-uwi pa ako ng gamit na hindi ko na iiwan sa Maynila. Kasi nga, aalis na tayo. Pupunta po tayo ng somewhere very far away. The Parabang! Hello! I just woke up and I had my coffee already, so maayos yung
Pag dali, ginanas meat kayo na lang nagsugod.
ang dami ko palang ganap today.
Ayaw mo confirm mo.
Hindi na kayo na ako nga nangataan na siya. Pikot pang ka. Diba na-shock sila? Videographer, tapos nag-vlog pa, tapos muntik pa ako naging host. Kaya today,
50-50.
50-50. I-follow nyo ng KNL Pickleball Courts na Facebook page. Kasi ngayon ako magmamanage ulit niyan. Hi guys. Ang daming nangyari today. Ako po ay videographer for the day. It's so hot. Like, buong araw na akong paikot-ikot sa court. Panay picture, panay video. Panay gawa ko ng content para sa Facebook page ng KNL Pickleball Courts.
Nag-out na kuya.
Pero ang saya ng tournament. This is a 3-day tournament. Medyo madaming tao dito. Yeah, ayan. Grabe! It's already 6:55. Guys, I had a long day. Grabe! Like, buong araw ako panay content, panay video, panay edit. Hindi ko nga natututukan tong vlog na to. Kasi, wow. Hindi ko nga masyado natutukan, hindi ko nga masyado na content ang sarili ko kasi ako ay isang videographer at photographer sa tournament ng pickleball ngayon. Until Sunday tong tournament na to. So I think it's safe to say na baka itigil ko na tong vlog na to, mag-outro na lang ako. Na para bang